Incense is not the power. Ecclesiasticus 38 and Wisdom of Solomon 16 explain. In the last teaching, the best incense in Hoodoo, covenant prayer, and biblical truth, I showed you that incense is symbolic. The power is not in the smoke. The power is in the covenant, the obedience, and the prayer. Today I'm giving you further proof from the Apocrypha. Ecclesiasticus 38, 4 through 15, and Wisdom of Solomon 16, 12, 24 through 28. These scriptures reinforce the exact same truth. Healing, results, and spiritual power come from God, not from incense. Let's start with Ecclesiasticus 38, 4 through 15. This passage teaches that God created medicines out of the earth, and a wise person does not despise them. It says healing comes from the Most High. It says, pray to the Lord, cleanse your heart, and then give place to the physician, because God created him too. That means the power is not in the incense. The power is not in the ritual. The power is not in the object. The power is in God, obedience, and the works he created. Ecclesiasticus says healing comes from the Lord, and the physician only works because God empowers him. That aligns perfectly with Psalm 141, 2, Revelation 5, 8, Revelation 8, 3 through 4, Exodus 30, 7 through 8, James 5, 13 through 18, and Isaiah 56, 7. Now let's go to Wisdom of Solomon 16:12. It says healing does not come from medicine or plasters, but from God's word. That means incense cannot heal you. Smoke cannot deliver you. Ritual cannot save you. Only God's word and God's power can. And then Wisdom of Solomon 16, 24 through 28 explains how creation itself obeys God. Fire behaves differently depending on his command. Nature responds to his will. That means incense only has meaning when it is aligned with God's command, God's covenant, and God's purpose. So when people ask, what incense works best in Hoodoo, the answer remains the same. The incense is not the power. The covenant is. The smoke is not the power. The obedience is. The sin is not the power. The prayer is. Ecclesiasticus 38 shows healing comes from God. Wisdom of Solomon 16 shows results come from God's word. Revelation shows incense represents prayer. Psalm 141 shows prayer is the incense. Isaiah 56 shows God's house is a house of prayer. Hoodoo is not superstition. Hoodoo is not commercial spirituality. Hoodoo is not burn this incense and get this result. Hoodoo is covenant, obedience, land, prayer, and alignment. So yes, Ecclesiasticus 38 and Wisdom of Solomon 16 prove the same truth. Incense is symbolic. Prayer is the offering. Obedience is the covenant. God is the healer, and the power belongs to him alone.